Today I'm going to be showing you how to rock an open house. I have my mask in my hand because I'm about to have to put it on because, you know, crazy times. But I wanted to just show you how I set things up, how I plan things, just the extra little details that I add in there, things that I swear by, anything to make people remember you as an agent. Marketing is everything in this. You are an independent contractor, so you have to do all of your own marketing. And if you're not with a huge brokerage or like a national brokerage, if you're in a more private firm, kind of like we are, then you have to you really have to work extra hard to market to get above those people that are in the national brokerages and the higher that just have more exposure or more ways to get exposure and the money to do so. You know, I'm going to show you how to get the most exposure and get the most out of your marketing for a real estate agent if you're just starting out, or, you know, I've been doing it almost 4 years now and I love this job so much. Like, truly, it is my passion. But I've got this mask. Yes, my passion. But I just wanted to share with y'all some of my tips and tricks because, you know, even if you are in our area, that's fine. Any way that I can help any other agent excel and succeed in this business, because I know how hard it is. And I just really want to share these tips with y'all because they're great. They work. And yeah, let's get into the video.
Okay, so one way that I like to try to do a little bit of extra marketing is by doing giveaways or just doing little baskets, gift cards, anything like that. So at an open house, an opportunity that you have to do extra marketing would be to, if you had a gift basket or a gift card, just a little incentive for them to leave their information with you. Just something cute, and it's something that they'll remember you by. So the theme of this bucket is, I just did like a little summer theme. What you can do is give yourself a budget and say, hey, I'm gonna do this much, and that'll be like a marketing thing for me. So then you can write it off at the end of the year. And I'm gonna do a video all about real estate taxes as well, just everything that you should know to be able to write off, and marketing is definitely one of them. Anyway, so I just got this cute little mug. Like I said, I wanted to keep it summer themed. And just 2 little glasses with the straws. They are plastic. And then this is a cup, a set of 4, a hand towel, these cute little sunglasses, and then the basket itself. I do have a couple boxes of candy I'm going to throw in here, along with some business cards and a couple of other things. I got this lei. I'm going to put this around the actual wrapping when I'm done. So I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to put this together. But yeah, this is going to be on the counter at the open house. And I just think this is a really cute, fun way to do it and get some marketing out there while still sticking with the season. So I will show you how I'm putting this together.
Right now I'm in one of our new construction homes. It's staged up, but I'm gonna show you kind of what I did. When a house has a kitchen island, that is my favorite for open houses. And when it comes to open houses, I know a lot of agents don't like to do them because maybe they're not so fun, they don't want to sit in them, but you don't have to sit in a boring open house. You need to make it worth your while you're there. So make sure you plan the open house properly. I'm gonna show you how to do that. I'm gonna show you, I have so much fun with this too. Like, I'm a party planner, I love it. So here we go. Here is our counter, our little mimosas, and we have sweets over here. Let's see, I'll show y'all. Big sweets counter. And then this is our little sign-in area. So we are right now offering hand sanitizer and masks. We do have gloves for people that want them, but a lot of people aren't that picky, so we're not gonna put them out unless people ask for them. But this is just kind of the basic setup. And then over here, we have the little basket that I was telling you about. Oh, just ran into the fridge. It's the little summertime basket, and it's so cute. It's kind of off over here by itself because I've pretty much crowded up this already. So I'm just gonna have to tell people, and what I'm gonna have them do is, if they are interested in the basket, or if they want to leave their info for me for future reference, I can't even talk, they're going to sign in on our open house sign-in sheets. At the end of the day, we're going to do a drawing with all of the names that are on here, and then whoever wins will win the basket. So that's a good incentive to get people to sign in on your open house sheet. I have business cards everywhere, and something I'm about to do is the business card challenge, where you get like 300 or 500 cards a month, and you have to try to give all of those out. Like, every single person that you meet, you give them out to, which in today's world is kind of because giving, people are weird. People are even weird about cash right now, just because of everything that's going on. I love social media because it's like a virtual business card. So anytime that you can, use your social media to the best of your ability. You should definitely have your own solo Facebook page for just you as a realtor, as an agent, as a designer, whatever you are. That is some way, if your brokerage has one, that's great, but so that you can have the spotlight like on you, because if people reach out to your brokerage, then they're just gonna go to the main broker for, business. You wanna have your own solo Facebook page so that when people go, they're gonna go directly to you, and then you can post on there as much as you want. I could give you a little house tour while I'm talking, but here's the master bedroom. We think somebody was in here, because look, we have this place staged, and like, who was on the bed? I mean, why, what? It's not even a real bed. If y'all know anything about staging, which I'm gonna do a video on it because I found out so many things lately about staging, it blows my mind. But this is actually 2 twin blow-up mattresses that are put together in the headboards in the back, and it just gives the look, like, it kind of just gives you the visual of what it would look like if you had your master bed in here, but it's not an actual bed. It's a lot better for the stagers and for the movers. They don't have to move big old beds in and out. So it looks crazy, somebody was obviously jumping on the bed. Let me show y'all the master bathroom. Ooh. I'm gonna kind of go around and show y'all because I have to turn on all the lights. Ooh, master closet. So another thing is, make sure you get there. I know that you don't want to be there any longer than you have to be, but don't look at open houses as like, oh, I'm gonna be wasting my time. Look at it as a huge business opportunity for you, because this is free marketing for you just to be here, because you get to meet all of these people that might not have an agent. So this is like a little laundry room, couldn't even talk. And then I'm pretty sure y'all saw the living room, but this is on half an acre too, and it's so cute. I just love it. What I was saying, get here about an hour early just so you will have time to set everything up so that you're not rushing. Anytime that you don't have the time that you need, you won't be able to fully execute properly. So just make sure you give yourself enough time to get everything prepped and prepared. And what I always have to do is print the handouts. So that's something that I like to take the time to, or give myself time to print the handouts. So what I did also was our MLS link. I always print about 15 or 20 of them so that I can hand them to people when they walk in. I hand them the MLS printout and one of my business cards. And if there's like a huge group of people, I mean, you don't have to hand them to like kids and stuff, but the definitely the adults in the group. Here's the guest bath. Yeah, so definitely give the adults all the information, and then you know, anyone else in the group, even if they have people that are just coming with them to see the house, like if maybe they wanted someone else's opinion, give those people your business cards, because one day they might need an agent and they're gonna say, hey, remember that really nice realtor that we met at the open house? Yeah, so give whoever you can your business card, because that's important, importante. I think my mom's here. I hear somebody slamming doors. I hope my mom's here. But anyways, another thing, make sure if you do not have your own personal protection, you know, we, in our NEFAR classes, we had to take, like when we did our 90-day course, they provided a little, an instructor that came in and they did like a little introduction on safety, open house safety, showing house safety and everything like that. If you did not get that wherever you're located, you definitely need to go on YouTube and find some of those videos for real estate safety or realtor safety. I'm not sure what it would be called on there. Never go without anything. I mean, have something. Like if you conceal carry, that's great. If you can take some pepper spray, that's great. If you can take like a taser, that's even better. I'm just kidding. Don't take a taser. But just make sure that you are not, because especially me, like I'm a little lady and you know, I have to have my own protection. You never know who's gonna come through. There's so many crazies nowadays, and I've just seen so many. I mean, just like 2 weeks ago, a woman got beat up in an open house. He didn't even kill her. He just beat her up. Like it was crazy. And I don't even know if he stole anything from the house. Like people are just crazy, and especially if there's just an open house, you know, anybody can walk through, anybody can do anything. Make sure you have the proper safety, the proper training on how to use whatever weapon it is that you bring. And just never, if you can, sit in open house with someone. Like I'm having my mom today. Sometimes I have my brother, but I do not sit by myself anymore. I will make a new updated story on why, because I did have an experience. But yeah, for the sake of this video and the time that I'm working with, just don't do that. Don't sit by yourself. So I think that's about all. I think I've covered everything. I'm gonna do individual little shots of each thing that I do to prep, and I'll put it in the video so y'all can see it, but I'm done talking. Look how cute this table setting is. I love these stagers, man. If you have a vacant house, use a stager. It has changed the game for us. I'm not kidding. We love our stagers. They're awesome. They always get our houses sold so fast. So yeah, have a great weekend, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Look at her little heels.